Check out the key. This is the Audi RS Q8. One of the fastest SUVs in the world. Check out the interior. Look at those seats and the stitching. Look at the steering wheel with the RS badge. RS branding everywhere. And check out how cool this black panel is.
It's flush.
This is flush. They told me to say that. And what I want to show you is when we start it, start stop is here. Check this out. When I press it, the speakers pop out. Just like in the Urus, the displays have come on, and when you just put your finger on it, you can see that you get a little animation. It even has the RS logo. Same with the other ones. Check out the steering wheel, as I said. What I like is the view button. When you press view, you get a 3D map that you can zoom in and out of. That's the Palm in Dubai, by the way. This is all artificial, man-made. The other button I like is the RS button. That's the one that makes your car feel like a jet engine. Start, stop again. Turn it on. Oh, did you hear that little pop? Let's give it a little rev. Now, it won't let me go above 4,000. Come on, Audi. You can't put a rev limiter on this car. All I want to do is rev it. Anyways, this is a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 600 horsepower. That's this close to a Lamborghini Urus, and 0 to 100 in 3.8 seconds. Get inside, let's go for a drive. If we want to search a destination, we can actually draw it up here. Let's go to Audi.
A-U-D-I.
Fantastic job, Audi. Let's floor it. Wow! That is crazy. Woo! Because Audi and Lamborghini are owned by Volkswagen, the Lamborghini Urus and the RS Q8 share the same engine. A little bit less horsepower on this one, but you're getting it at half the price.